Do much traveling? Take short trips or long trips, but need to have a carry-on on the airplane? Got something in just for that. This is the Verage Underseat Luggage. You can put this under the seat of an airplane. That is pretty cool for your carry-on luggage. Or if you're just taking a little short day trip, maybe a couple of days, and you don't need a big suitcase, this should do the trick. Let's get this opened up and check it out. Oh, cool. Check it out. It's got wheels on it too. Isn't that nice? You don't have to carry it. Not like it's real big to carry anyway, but you don't have to. Very cool. Oh, check it out. It's got a pocket right here. Zippered pocket right up there on the front. Sweet. Look, we've got a big old pocket right here. Little storage compartment right there. Oh, yeah. Look at that large storage compartment right there. And another one right here. So if you had like a laptop and folders, perfect. What do we got on this side? Y'all see some? Oh, yeah, look at this. Another storage area. Check that out. This is just full of storage areas. This is nice. Look at this handle, y'all. It has the little push button right here. You can raise that. You can raise that up. You can see that. Raise that. Oh, that extends way out. Cool. Sound. Look, that sounds. That don't sound cheap. That sounds like very well built. Let's check out the inside here. Oh, look here, y'all. Oh, look at this. It's got another special little area right here. There's a zipper. You put whatever you need to right there. Don't know what you're going to put there. It's got so many places to store stuff at. Has a strap to keep everything in order. Let's release that so we can open that on up. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. This is perfect for a couple of days. Got all kinds of storage in. This is nice. I've had some smaller luggage, but this is by far the nicest I have ever had. I'm so glad I got this. Zippers are smooth. Look at that. Those wheels are quiet and very, look at that. Where else are you going to get that good? That is, oh, look here. There's a strap on the back. Oh, I know what this is for. Let me show you. Let's go right in here. So see, if you've got a bigger suitcase and you need a little bit more room, look at this. You take that right there, and this strap right here on this back of this will hook on right there. Look at that. Easy peasy. You are looking like a professional traveler. Look at me. I am ready to go somewhere, whether it's just for a day or two or for a week. It's got you covered right here. I like these, all these little pockets. This is really good for people that's doing the carry-on luggage because it's got all your different storage compartments in it, and it is perfect to go under the seat of an aircraft. So again, that is the Verage Underseat Carry-On Luggage. It's got those spinner wheels. Those things are really smooth, for real. It's a lightweight travel bag. Perfect. I like it. Full disclosure, I am part of the Amazon Influencer Program. So I may make a small percentage of sales commissions on qualifying purchases.